lot of girls be thinking my songs are about them, but this is not to get confused.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Obviously,
this one's
so we haven't been
baby, you my everything.
But you know, we'll go start uploading stuff. But yeah, right. Someone bring her out before she have baby. So yeah, that's right. So I'm actually gonna pick her up right now. Andre now come. Actually, I plan a little surprise for Andre, but I can't talk about it in this video because I know actually the video go up for Friday, and him go watch it. And I don't want him to know because on Friday I plan the little surprise rendezvous. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna go pick up my friend. Reach Carl, you know, say first I come around here, so park around here, so big Bob. Yeah. Elephant. Morning. Good evening. Hello. Hello. Thanks. Walk up, my girl. If I peep you up, we don't know what go there. Just a show us walker. Oh God. Can like buy stuff or like order like your ticket and things so. Oh, they're so really nice. But I advise anybody to come out here with their family or stuff because out here so like my Andre go come out here now on evening or night and play. But if you come out here now at night, you can't go to see the video so much. So maybe just do the night. I wish it. She should just come from, but oh, in here so nice, don't? Eh? Yeah.
It's flush.
God no.
Just come in under the wall. You don't need to touch nothing in there.
Yeah, they upgrade. They up. Oh, see by the mirror. I'm always sitting right. Like the graphics look nice. Where graphics look nice. Win up. Oh, you can win up to 5. I could do the game, you know. More than bad for the game here. No, 500 tickets. A ticket you win and then you change, you know. Yeah. Oh, I feel me think this up. Oh my God. Jeez. Eh? Oh, them played. Oh, like, oh, me get it now.
The size on it.
Alright, you see? Then say one of your video in here, but me have to show the same way. I just menu this. Because the children say was in a video, I have to show not Danisha food. When I get my food in, Danisha box off a long time. She get 8 pieces of wigs.
I'm eating it. Then I get none.
I'm not getting none yet, so when the food comes, I just shit. I actually lose my other phone record, so this is my phone. I cannot taste them. It's a sweet potato fries. That's the Danisha food. So yeah. Lunch dates. Craving cup and fear plates. Although it's true she eat for 2 meals if I see. My drinks here. So Danisha drinks. All drinks taste. Yeah, alright. My one nice.
It's really nice.
Oh, swipe the card.
Just swipe the card, go turn green and then complete.
Okay. I'm gonna kill the Mario Go Karts here. Like mother murder it. Because my bad for Mario Go Karts. And they look pretty now, but right now. I must start driving now.
How this somewhere? Maybe I go.
Don't, I know some after first place. Down, first place. I wonder if you should have gone with.
Continue down.
Wow, it thinks that he shot. Boy, your phone have nice.
It's Samsung too. It has nice quality.
Okay, that's very nice quality. So I plan one little surprise for Andre. Nothing really extra. So Danny should help me lie. That's what good friends do. So yeah.
No problem. No problem.
So we got plan one little getaway. So we'll go to the room first before we leave.
For the eyes, nope, not looking down.
So we'll go look inside. First, we got one first room and I really like it, so we have to come back up again. I have to go back down again. I should have shown you the first room, but show me see it and I like it first.
Yeah, let's go this one. That's not one kind of way.
So we'll try the next room.